Okay, so good evening student. We will start again with this problem set. Quadratic equation problem set 2, 6th, 7th, 8th up to 5th in previous lecture we have completed. Now determine the nature of the root, and this is very important, and again in all questions they are asking the same. For example, of 6th first, that is 3x square minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0, and three question 6.1 first, second, third. We have to find out nature of the root. See, all three sums I will solve together, so that will the repetition of the steps. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Compare with ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Step number 1. Step number 2, find out a, b, c. What is a? What is b? What is c? Again compare. What is a? What is b? What is c? What is a? Nothing is given, so you have to consider 1. What is b? What is c? First you have to write quadratic equation, then you have to write standard equation, then you have to compare what is a, what is b, what is c. Then you have to write discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now I will find the answer. B square, what is b square? Minus 5 square. B square, what is b? B square. Mute the mic बच्चा. All student. AC, AC, A and C. 5 was at 25 minus 4th is at 12, 12 7 is 84, root 2 only, not 4, root 2 a2 root 2 root omit minus plus minus 4 minus 2 minus 8 plus 8 root 3 3, so 2 24 26. This delta, suppose it is 85 minus 25 is 60, 1 less 59, and bigger figure sign. Among these two, which is bigger? This, so minus. Among this, which is bigger? This, so plus. 2 to the 4 minus 4. We are getting all type of answer. Exactly 0, more than 0, less than 0. So when it is exactly 0, therefore roots are real and equal. Delta is greater than 0, therefore roots are real and not equal. Delta is less than 0. Therefore, not real, not equal. Question number 6 I have solved. I have written standard form. First equation, second equation, third equation. Under that I have written standard equation ax square plus bx plus c. I have compared that now it's coming. Hello. Now screen is coming. Correct? Screen is okay? Voice is okay? Okay. So write in this form of standard equation, then write standard equation, then write A, B, C, match. If it is plus, write plus, if it is minus, write minus. Then formula. Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Then substitute and find out the answer. Substitute and find out the answer. Substitute and find out the answer. So it is exactly 0. When it is exactly 0, it is real and equal. When it is greater than 0, it is real but not equal. When it is less than 0, it is real, it is not real, not equal. This I will send you the snap. We will move to question number 7. Solve the quadratic equation. Seventh, 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 1 by x square. X square minus 3x by 10 Now cross product. X square is equal to x plus 5. In a quadratic form, x square minus x plus 5. Now, from 5, factor is not possible. So we will solve it by formula method. So compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 5. Discriminant b square minus 4ac, that is minus 1 square 4ac. 1 minus 4 5s are 20 minus 19. This when it jump it's minus, sorry. Mute your mic, I said 5 times. Okay, now directly formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. What is minus b? B is minus 1, so minus b is plus 1. This value I got 21. Under 2a, a means 1. So 1 plus root 21 by 2, 1 minus root 21 by 2. These are the two answers. That is the solution for x. Now multiply by 10, so this is 10x square. 10 will cancel, so only 3x. 10 will cancel, so only minus 1, it is 0. Now 10 ones are 10. We want remove this student. Who is this? Making funny voice. Remove. 10 ones are 10. 5 twos are bigger one. This smaller one. This. 5 twos are 10. Minus plus minus 10. And minus 5 plus 2 is equal to minus 3. So 10x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. This way you have to split up. 2 5s are 10. 5 common, so 5 2s are 10. 5 common, so 1 plus 1 only common. 2x minus 1 is 0. Common of common, 5x plus 1, 2x minus 1. Co-host, please note down the number or the name who are doing this misbehavior. Why they are joining if they are not interested? I will call to their parents. One divided by 2 plus 1 to minus 1 divided by 5. So the solution of x now this sum I will show in two methods. Those who are brilliant, those who are topper, they can do second method. First most common method like this. Square of first term, 2 to the 4 x square. This into this means 2ab. 2 to the 4 is 12x. 3 3 is 9. This is 25. Again 4x square plus 12x. This comes this side, so minus 16. 25 minus 9 is equal to minus 16. All divided by 4. So 4 1s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are. Now from minus 4 to 3 you want. So 4 1s are plus 4 minus 1. Factor of middle term and factor of quadratic equation that we have learned from 8th standard. So exactly like that only. 4 1s are 4. 4 split up into 2 parts. It can be split up into 2 into 2 also. 4 into 1 also. 2 into 2 it will not work because we want 3. So 4 1s are. So x square plus 4x minus x only, x plus 4 correct. So x plus 4 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to this side, so minus 4. X minus 2 plus. This is all I have written, ORO. That is why we are writing solution set, not solution. So for this equation, answer it can be minus 4, answer it can be plus 1. So that is why it is known as solution set. Now, this same I will write in a different way. Which one is good, which one is easy, which one you are following, that you can write in the exam. In both the method you will get full mark. Bracket square, 25 means 5 square. Now remove square on both the side. Plus or minus 5. This comes this side. 2 comes down. So x is equal to minus 3 plus 5 by 2. This is equal to 5 minus 3, 2 by 2, that is 1. And second time minus 3. One time I have taken plus 5, I will take minus 5 by 2. So minus 8 by 2. It is, so the x is equal to 1 by minus 4. 3 sums I have taken, again 3 sums I have taken. It is in a zigzag form, directly it is not quadratic equation. I have simplified. Then I have converted into the quadratic equation. Here factor is not possible. When factor is not possible, do by formula method. When factor is possible, do by factor method. But in exam you have to read very carefully the heading. If it is given, do by formula, do this only. Do by factor method, you can do this or this. Do by perfect square, so middle into half, that formula, different formula, perfect square. So if heading is not given, this any method you can do. You while observing my lecture, you just note down that what you are not following. At the end, I will give you 5-10 minutes and I will sort out your problem, or you can WhatsApp me. So by video, by text message, I will try my best. But those students who are continuously, frequently disturbing, remove them. And this is a many lectures we have attended. Now discipline should be there by automatically, because while listening you have to mute your mic and camera. Why you are opening that? I can't understand. Why I have to say in between my lecture again and again? M square plus 5 is equal to 0. 5m square plus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. Who's that again? From 5 to 5 factor, not possible. So again we will try with formula. So am square plus bm plus c. Variable of the equation you have to identify. It is not x, it is n. So instead of ax square plus bx plus c, you will write am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. So what is a? What is b? What is c? Now discriminant. When factor is possible, you can do by factor method. If factor is possible but you are not getting which are the factor, you can go for the formula. Automatically factor will arise. 5 5 are 25. 4ac, 5 4 are 20. 25 minus 20, 25 minus 20 is equal to 5. Now direct answer, m is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac. See, regarding this formula, I have sent you one video, very melodious song. He is a student of Oxford University, and like me, is very interested in maths, and he loves very much maths, and he always tries to convert all the formula into tune, into rhythm, into music. So this video I have sent, you can get it. Negative b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2. That type of the song it is given. So by that song also you can remember this formula in a very easy way. That is also very good idea. So I have shared with all my students. So in our 10th WhatsApp group I have sent it. Just check it and listen it carefully. Okay, minus b, so that is minus 5, plus or minus 5. 2a, that is 2. So minus 5 plus root 5 by 2, minus 5 minus root 5 by 2. Five ones are 5, but the factor of 5 you will not get 2. So again, am square bm plus c is equal to 0. Compare a, b, c. So discriminant. A, let me check the question correct. A, B, C. B square minus 4 AC. If delta is discriminant, therefore roots are not real and not, which are not real, not equal, you cannot find the roots. Where it is negative and how to find the root, that is in your 12th standard syllabus, not in 10th. So whenever you will get this negative, you have to stop when the delta is negative. When 0, factor is possible. When greater than 0, it is possible. Less than 0 for negative discriminant, you have to stop. What you have to write? The discriminant is less than 0. Therefore, roots are not real, roots are not equal. Stop. From 3 to 4, it is very easy. 3 ones are 3. When middle number is next to end number, this is 3, this is 4. If it is 10 and 11, 10 ones are. If it is 12, 13, 12 ones are. If it is 7 and 6, 6 ones are. If it is 9 and 11 and 10, 11 ones are. C, B is next to C. 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 So that time ones are only the factor. No other possibilities. Always remember that. So minus 1, minus 3, plus 3. And minus 3, minus 1, minus 4. Who is that? Remove permanently. Next time don't enter this student. X only. Plus minus minus. this common of common, x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3 or x is equal to minus 1. In previous chapter we were writing like that, okay, pxy. What is this bracket means? First number goes to only x, second number goes to only y. Now we are writing like this, x goes to 3 also, x goes to minus 1 also. Both are the solution of same variables. At that time you have to write solution set, solution. Hey, who is this yaar? Nikita, who is this? Shreya, hello. Permanently remove. No, you note down. I will remove from that group also, and I will report to the school. This is not entertaining time. Disturbing me also, disturbing that much student also. What they are speaking? No, I will block on my mail. I will block on that group also. Okay, more 3 sums we have covered. So 3 plus 3 plus 3, 3 set we have done. Now one very important question. Very important. Roots are real and equal. Given I don't know, four step independently you have to write. This is first, second, therefore delta is equal to 0, therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, therefore b square is equal to 4ac. These 4 steps you have to write where it is given real and equal. First write in the word it is real, it is equal. Then write discriminant is equal to 0. What is discriminant? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. That minus goes this side. This is irrelevant to the question. I have not seen this. Where it is given this, I will write 1, 2, 3, 4. In any question, this 1, 2, 3, 4 is compulsory steps. That is same in the textbook it is given. Now compare to ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A will be this full, n minus 12. Both are single power or double power, that I have to check again. Single power. What is B? That is also single power. What is C? Correct. Now B square means this square. Four. A. C is 2. A is Now from here, see very carefully, because in digest and textbook they have given slightly difficult method. They have opened this bracket. I will not open this bracket. Hello. How it how it is ended? It is Zoom or what, बच्चा? Okay, sorry. Hello.